Hello friends, Apurva Gupta, Assistant Professor in Biyani International Institute of Engineering Technology welcomes you all on behalf of Guru KPO for a video lecture on gas power plants. Basically gas power, there are many ways through which we can generate electricity. Like we can generate electricity through thermal power plants which are coal fired, gas power plants, nuclear power plants, hydro power plants. There are so many ways to generate electricity. Gas power plant is one of those methods. In the gas power plant, this is the basic schema or a single line diagram how we can generate electricity from gas and transfer it for a common man use. So the first part of a gas power plant is a compressor. Here this is a compressor. What compressor does? Compressor just take in the air from the atmosphere and a filter is attached before the air coming to the compressor. This filter just remove the dust particles from the incoming air. Now this incoming air is given to the compressor. Come here at the compressor. This air is compressed to a very high pressure. This has first of all rotary blades. The air passes through these rotary blades and then this air is produced to the stationary blades. Between these process, the pressure of the air is made very high. Now this high pressure air is passed to the regenerator. What is regenerator? Regenerator is basically a process instrument where the exhaust hot gases of the gas turbine are utilized to heat the incoming air which is at very high pressure before going to the combustion chamber. So with the help of the regenerator, we just utilizes the exhaust gases heat to heat up the high pressure compressed air. Now this high pressure compressed air after getting heat from the exhaust gases through regenerator is given to the combustion chamber, where in this combustion chamber the heat is given to the high pressure air. Now this heat when is adopted by the gases, then is applicable to be spent on gas turbine. This gas turbine is basically a mechanical instrument which has rotary blades. When this high pressure and heated gas from the combustion chamber is given to the gas turbine, the high pressure gas is expanded on these rotary blades of the gas turbine, and thus rotary blades are coupled with the alternator. Now this alternator is producing electricity using the rotation produced by this gas turbine. Now the alternator generates electricity which can be transferred to the common users through the bus bar. Before we are giving this electricity to the common user, it is passed through several stages like transformers, circuit breakers and isolators. Transformers are those devices which step ups or step downs the electrical voltage. Basically, when we are passing this electrical energy to the common user through a power plant, we are using a step up transformer at the power plant end. Now these are the circuit breaker and isolator. For the safety purposes, this is a starting motor. This starting motor is coupled with alternator and compressor gas turbines. Compressor is required the rotary blades. Now these rotary blades require the rotation. This is given through this starting motor. The starting motor is also coupled with the turbine and alternators to give them the basically required rotations to produce electrical energy. Now this is all about the gas turbine power plant. For more queries and more questions, kindly log on to www.gurukpo.com.